Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the REACH Roadworks program. Now the REACH program is a $45 billion roadworks program. This is the largest investment in roads in Jamaican history. Main roads, not highways, main roads. So the government plans to fix 2,000 main roads like what we're driving on now, Mountain View Avenue. Although I'm not sure if Mountain View is on the list. It is being run by the National Works Agency, and China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor. And then they will use subcontractors. Every constituency in Jamaica will have at least 10 roads to be fixed. So they started in Harbourview in December last year, but it was just one road. And now they plan to start another 100 roads by March of this year, March 2025. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this program and the major rollout, you could say, of it. Work is slated to begin on 100 roads under the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark program before the end of fiscal year 2024-25 on March 31st. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for works, Honorable Robert Morgan, said the Spark program build-out phase began in Harbourview Heights in Kingston Eastern and Port Royal. By next week, we'll be announcing 40 roads which will begin immediately all across the island. And the month after that, we'll be announcing another 30 roads, that's 70. The month after that, we'll be announcing another 30 roads, Mr. Morgan said. He was addressing a post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. Responding to concerns about delays in the Spark program implementation, Mr. Morgan shared that time is being spent conducting assessments and constructing proper designs. Additionally, he said that some roads that require land acquisition, extensive pipe works, or realignment. A lot of us know the history of our roads. Most of our roads evolved from community road tracks where persons moved to particular areas and they built their own roads, and somebody came many years later and gave them a road without any design or anything. Some of these have flaws that we have to correct, and we had to do on the South Coast Highway Improvement Project. So by March, almost every constituency in the country will see road works taking place, the minister stated. Mr. Morgan encouraged Jamaicans with questions or concerns to engage with the ministry's team on social media at Ask Spark Jamaica. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Now the roads in Jamaica are in a terrible state. It's probably the worst I've ever seen them. And to think the government has $45 billion and they are moving so slow with the rollout to fix these roads. It's very surprising. I thought they would have hit the ground running. So if you have a road to fix and you need to acquire land, why would you put that road on the list of roads to be done in phase 1? Wouldn't you sort out the land issue and work on a different road in the meantime? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated. We are going to be showing you videos of all the roads under construction and give you the probably monthly updates on the work being done on them. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.